Today we discuss about 10 natural foods proven to have anti-cancer benefits for daily consumption. In a world where health-conscious choices are becoming increasingly important, the role of diet in disease prevention cannot be understated. Among the most dreaded diseases, cancer stands out as a major concern for many. While there's no surefire way to completely prevent cancer, emerging research suggests that certain natural foods are rich in compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can be a proactive step toward reducing your risk. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, has been a cornerstone of Mediterranean cuisine and culture for centuries. Beyond its delightful taste and culinary versatility, olive oil is celebrated for its potential health benefits, including its role in cancer prevention. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and a plethora of bioactive compounds, olive oil is a key player in promoting overall well-being. Antioxidant-rich phenols, the precious compounds. The unique properties of olive oil are owed to its rich content of phenolic compounds, including hydroxytyrosol, oleuropein, and tyrosol. These antioxidants contribute to the oil's color, flavor, and potential health benefits. Olive oil's potential anti-cancer effects are rooted in its rich composition of antioxidants and healthy fats. 2. Garlic. Garlic, often regarded as a staple in various cuisines around the world, holds more than just the power to enhance the flavor of dishes. With its potent aroma and distinct taste, garlic has a rich history of being used for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Beyond its culinary charm, garlic has captured the attention of researchers for its potential anti-cancer properties. The allicin advantage. The magic behind garlic's potential health benefits lies in a compound called allicin. Allicin is a sulfur-containing compound that is formed when garlic is crushed, chopped, or chewed. This compound is responsible for garlic's pungent smell and is believed to be a key player in its anti-cancer effects. Allicin has demonstrated various biological activities, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. 3. Green tea. Green tea, celebrated for its soothing flavor and calming qualities, has been consumed for centuries in various cultures for its potential health benefits. Among its many attributes, green tea is gaining attention for its potential anti-cancer properties. Packed with bioactive compounds and antioxidants, green tea offers a refreshing and healthful way to potentially reduce the risk of cancer and support overall well-being. Catechins, the powerful polyphenols. The secret behind green tea's potential health benefits lies in its abundance of catechins, a group of polyphenolic compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is the most abundant and potent catechin in green tea. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Nature has provided us with an array of foods that are not only delicious but also hold the potential to safeguard our health. Among these, the group of cruciferous vegetables stands out as a powerhouse of nutrients with notable anti-cancer properties. These veggies, which include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale, have garnered attention from both nutritionists and researchers for their remarkable health benefits. Sulforaphane, the superstar compound. What sets cruciferous vegetables apart in the realm of cancer prevention is the presence of a bioactive compound called sulforaphane. This sulfur-containing compound is released when these vegetables are cut, chewed, or otherwise processed. Sulforaphane is widely recognized for its potential to combat cancer at various stages, making it a compelling reason to include these vegetables in your daily diet. 5. Flaxseeds. In the world of nutrition, there are certain foods that stand out due to their exceptional nutrient profile and potential health benefits. Flax seeds, with their impressive array of nutrients and bioactive compounds, have earned their place in this category. Beyond their reputation as a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds are gaining recognition for their potential role in cancer prevention. Lignans and omega-3s, the dynamic duo. At the heart of flax seeds' health benefits are two key components: lignans and omega-3 fatty acids. Lignans are polyphenols found in plant-based foods, and flax seeds are among the richest sources of these compounds. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly associated with fish, are also present in flax seeds in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next food, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative video. 6. Onions. Onions, with their pungent aroma and versatile taste, have long been valued as a culinary staple. However, beneath their layers lies a hidden treasure of health benefits, including potential cancer-fighting properties. Rich in phytochemicals and antioxidants, onions are emerging as a natural ally in the battle against cancer. Quercetin, the cancer-fighting compound. The key player in onions' potential anti-cancer effects is quercetin, a powerful flavonoid. Quercetin is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, both of which are essential in reducing the risk of cancer development. 7. Ginger. Ginger, renowned for its distinctive flavor and wide-ranging health benefits, is more than just a spice used to add depth to dishes and beverages. This zesty root has captured the attention of researchers for its potential in cancer prevention and management. Packed with bioactive compounds, ginger offers a flavorful way to potentially reduce the risk of cancer and support overall well-being. Gingerol, the active compound. The star of ginger's potential cancer-fighting effects is gingerol, a bioactive compound responsible for its pungent taste and medicinal properties. Gingerol is a type of phenolic compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 8. Carrots. Carrots, with their vibrant orange hue and crisp texture, are often associated with good vision. However, these root vegetables offer more than just eye health benefits. Packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds, carrots have emerged as a potential ally in the journey to cancer prevention and overall well-being. Beta-carotene. The key component that gives carrots their striking color is beta-carotene, a type of carotenoid. In the body, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for immune health and cell development. 9. Pomegranates. Pomegranates. Jewel-like fruit with potential anti-cancer benefits. Pomegranates, with their vibrant ruby red arils and sweet tart flavor, have earned their place as a symbol of health and fertility in various cultures. Beyond their cultural significance and culinary appeal, pomegranates are emerging as a potent source of antioxidants and bioactive compounds that may offer potential anti-cancer benefits. With their rich nutritional profile, pomegranates are a flavorful addition to your diet that may contribute to overall well-being. 10. Berries. Berries, with their vibrant colors and burst of flavor, have long been hailed as delicious and nutritious treats. Beyond their delightful taste, these tiny fruits are brimming with antioxidants, vitamins, and phytochemicals that offer a myriad of health benefits. Emerging research suggests that including a variety of berries in your diet may contribute to potential cancer prevention and overall well-being. Antioxidant powerhouses, an array of phytochemicals. Berries owe their potent health benefits to their high content of antioxidants and phytochemicals, such as anthocyanins, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These compounds play a vital role in combating oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Remember that while these foods have shown potential in scientific studies, a holistic approach to cancer prevention includes maintaining a healthy lifestyle, engaging in regular physical activity, avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol consumption, managing stress, and getting regular medical checkups. It's also a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. Enjoy the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative video.